Hello, boys and girls. This is Tricky Word Assessment 2. Now, I'm going to say a tricky word, and you need to circle the tricky word that I say. Now, remember that these are tricky words, and they don't always follow the rules. Sometimes a tricky word will be spelled one way and read, and when we read it, it will sound a different way. So here we go. Let's go ahead and begin with number 1. Let's do number 1 together. Number 1, the word is when. 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 When will you go to the park? When. So using your writing tool, you're going to look at the tricky words and you're going to circle the word that is when. So as I am looking at my words, I remember that this is the tricky word when, so I am going to circle it. Now, you're going to continue with the rest of the words on your own. So I'm going to say the word and you're going to circle the word that I say. Here we go. Number 2. No. 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 Number 3. Where. Where. Where is my dog? Where. Number 4. What. What. What is your favorite topping on a pizza? What. Number 5. Word. 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 Number 6. So. 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 Number 7. To. To. Now remember, so this tricky word is not the number 2, it is the other 2 that we have learned. To. Number 8. Are. 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 Okay, let's go on and go to page number 2. Now remember, boys and girls, that you can pause this video if you need some extra time to go over and double check your work. If not, then go ahead and continue to page 2. Here we go. So we are now on page 2. Let's go ahead and continue. We left off on, we completed number 8 and we are now on number 9. Here we go. Number 9. Circle the tricky word down. 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 Number 10. Circle the tricky word I. 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 Number 11. Circle the tricky word why. 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 Number 12. Circle the tricky word 3. 3. 3. Number 13. Circle the tricky word the. The. Number 14. Circle the tricky word little. 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 Number 15. Circle the tricky word out. 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 This is the end of our tricky word assessment. If you need to replay the video because you have missed one of the words, you may go ahead and do so. Also, make sure to double check your work and make sure that you only have one word circled per number. Once you have completed everything, then go ahead and you're going to click on the green circle with the check on it to turn in your assignment. Thank you.